Hi folks, this is Kerry. By now you probably gotten used to the brightest star in the evening sky at sunset as being Venus. But Venus is going away. Here we are, October 21st, and this is sunset. Here is the sun on the horizon right at sunset. And here's Venus. It's gotten pretty low in the sky now, so it's practically not visible anymore, and it'll be going away. So now the brightest star in the evening sky at sunset will be Mars. Mars is up here. Mars is named after the Roman god of war. Up here is Scorpius, the scorpion. And the brightest star in Scorpius is Antares, which is a bright red star. Antares gets its name from the Greek, meaning in comparison to Ares, the Greek god of war. So both Antares and Mars are red in color, and sometimes it's really cool to notice, especially when they're close together, you can compare their size and color. Usually when they're side by side, Mars is usually a little closer than it is right now, but they'll be the same size and color. But Mars is pretty far away right now. It's whoops, that wasn't Mars. I got a star next to it. Let's get right on Mars. No, still got the star. Okay, what's next? Okay, Mars. Distance 2.3 astronomical units, or 345 million kilometers. So Mars is kind of at its far point from us right now. So it'll actually be smaller in size in comparison to Antares, but it'll be really cool to note their color. So I'm going to move this forward in time, one day at a time, and you'll notice Venus is moving lower in the sky, going away. Mars is in retrograde, so it's moving this way, as is Mercury moving this way, so note that. So Mercury is climbing higher in the sky there, further away from the sun. Mars is moving up towards Antares. So there they are side by side there. This is on November 6th. Antares and Mars side by side there. And here's Mercury and the moon. So here's November 7th. Antares, Mars, and the moon, which is, the moon is about 5% that day, so a really small crescent moon next to Antares and Mars. That'll be a cool photo op. Get your cameras out for that one. And here's Mercury coming up a little higher there. It's going to join them. So here we go. This is November 16th. Got Antares, Mercury, and Mars all pretty much in a straight line there. Now this is going to be very low in the western sky, so it might be a challenge to see. Progressing further, Mercury joins Mars here. Mercury and Mars, this is on November 21st. Now watch as Mercury climbs higher in the sky and reaches its far point and actually starts to come back and passes Mars again there on December 14th. And by this time they're all getting pretty low. Won't actually be able to see them in the sky anymore. So back to today, October 21st. And here we go, sunset, October 21st. Venus is going away. Mars is visible, and then Antares, the brightest star in Scorpius. So check that out. It'll be really nice to see the red planet next to the red star Antares.